If you want to make your edits way more entertaining, one of the easiest things you can do is add funny sound effects in CapCut. Whether you're editing a meme, a short, a vlog, or just trying to make your video feel more dynamic, the right sound effect can instantly add humor, timing, and personality. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add funny sound effects on CapCut, step by step, and by the end you'll be able to find, preview, and place sound effects directly onto your timeline in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and look at the top left media pool section. You're going to click the Audio tab there. This is where CapCut keeps all of the sound options, including music, effects, and other audio tools. Once you're inside the audio section, look over to the left panel and select Sound Effects from the submenu. This will bring up CapCut's library of audio effects that you can use in your edit. Now the key to finding the funniest sounds fast is using the search bar. At the top of the audio panel, click into the search bar and type in keywords that match the kind of joke or reaction you want. Good search terms include things like meme, laugh, vine boom, or boing. These are some of the most useful comedic sound effect keywords because they can quickly surface the sounds people recognize in funny edits. After typing your keyword, press enter to load the results. CapCut will then show you a list of sound effects that match your search, and this is where you can start testing which one fits your moment best. Take your time here, because sound effects work best when they match the timing of the scene. Next, hover over any sound effect you want to hear, and click the play icon to preview it. This is an important step because not every funny sound will fit every clip. Some sounds are better for reaction shots, some are great for punchlines, and some work best when something unexpected happens on screen. By previewing first, you can make sure the sound actually enhances the joke instead of distracting from it. Once you find the one you want, you have two easy ways to add it to your video. You can click the plus icon to drop it straight into the timeline, or you can simply drag and drop the audio file directly underneath your video clip in the timeline track. Both methods work great, so use whichever feels faster for your workflow. After that, you can trim the sound effect, move it into the exact right moment, and adjust the volume if needed so it lands perfectly with your visual. That timing is what makes the effect funny, so even a small shift can make a big difference. A quick tip here, if you're editing a meme or reaction video, try placing the sound effect right at the exact moment of the reaction, cut, or zoom. That's usually what gives it the biggest comedic impact. And if you want to keep your edits clean, don't overuse sound effects in every scene. A few well-placed funny sounds will usually feel much better than loading the whole video with noise. So, to recap, adding funny sound effects in CapCut is as simple as opening the Audio tab, choosing sound effects, searching with keywords like meme or vine boom, previewing the sound, and then dragging it into your timeline. It's a fast way to make your content more engaging, more entertaining, and a lot more memorable. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.